तो क्वेश्चन राइज होता है व्हाई डिड द एनर्जी गिव राइज टू द वर्ल्ड? कुछ थी, भगवान था, सब कुछ था, इज गॉट एवरीथिंग, तो उसको जरूरत के बड़ी सब ड्रामा शुरू कर देंगे, वैसे हमारे को दुख करा ड्रामा डाल देंगे. व्हाट वाज द रीजन? व्हाई वाज गॉड नॉट, or this energy not content to be? Why did he want to give rise to something? So then there are various reasons of it. It was lonely, wanted some entertainment, or it was bored, it wanted some entertainment. It just out of its joy and love, it wanted to do something. So इस सिनेरियो में थोड़ा बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाती है. एक तो ये कि since it is all that is, the world that is, जो होता है, that has to be illusion. और हम कहते हैं हिंदुइज्म में इट इज माया, कि जब सब कुछ वही है तो दूसरा तो और कुछ आ नहीं सकता अलग, तो इट हैज टू माया. लाइक इन द क्रिश्चियन वर्ल्ड गॉड इज सेपरेट, द वर्ल्ड इज रियल, देयर टू सेपरेट थिंग्स एग्जिस्टिंग. इन दिस वर्ल्ड बिकॉज ब्रह्मा इज एवरीथिंग, देन द अदर थिंग दैट अराइजेस हैज टू बी वर्चुअल, बिकॉज so then we say कि it is a dream in the mind of God. कि ब्रह्मा का ड्रीम है, ड्रीम में सब कुछ चल रहा है, we are part of that dream, and but we are not living that dream life that we want. Okay? So इसमें फिर मीनिंग ऑफ लाइफ क्या आ सकता है? इसमें ये होता है कि to realize that we are part of a dream, that we are living a dream, and then to seek छुटकारा from the cycle of rebirth. मोक्ष चाहिए कि हमने ये साइकिल ऑफ rebirth में फंस गए, यार ये तो फालतू के ड्रीम में फंस गए, हम तो we really want to be one with that reality, and चलो इस चक्कर से हम निकले. That is what we aim for, all the Hindus aim for, कि हमें salvation, हमें मोक्ष चाहिए, और इस साइकिल से छुटकारा चाहिए होता है. तो in this we seek oneness with Brahma. And इन सिनारियोज में एक मैंने modified scenario create किया है अपनी तरफ से after my experience. And I say that the reason for creation, the only difference in that is that the reason for creation for Brahma is an itch, एक खुरक होता है. And you have done it. That God is everything. He's got everything. But there is one thing that Brahma cannot have. What is it? Can anyone think? If Brahma, as defined, is all his consciousness, his knowledge, his intelligence. That is Brahma, pure consciousness, knowledge, intelligence. What is it that Brahma can lack?
Brahma don't have his senior God.
नहीं है. But he is everything. There is nothing above him below him. What can he lack?
Love. Ignorance.
Love. He can lack. Definitely, he cannot have love. Why cannot he have love? Because there is no second to love. Whom is it to love?
Possessions.
Possessions be, but basically, क्या है कि Brahma lacks the experience of his own self. आप लोग try करो. आप सोचो कि you are, if you are all that is in the world, how can you know who you are? आप कहो I'm tall, short, dark, long. How can you compare? There is no one to compare yourself with. कि आप क्या हो? Even if you say I'm loving, how can you know you are loving unless you have someone to love? So ये जो complex में ये जो situation फंस जाता है मामा, for that he develops an itch to know himself. I say the world arose because of Brahma's itch. I am writing a book on this. So this is a huge book on that. Okay, it's called the divine itch. The itch होती है God को to know himself. And there is a total scientific proof for all this thing, how evolution occurred, how we are evolving, how our brain is evolving, just evolving on the steps to how to scratch that itch. So with itch है, then we can say that the world is not a dream. We say the world is a thought experiment in the mind of Brahma. He's doing an experiment. Think thought experiment क्या होता है? We think if this we can do this, we do it. We are experimenting. जैसे Einstein का था about that, how he discovered that E is equal to square, or how he discovered that speed of light. Yeah, how he discovered if man is going at the speed of light and he can become shorter, time can become shorter. This is all a thought experiment which Einstein conducted. So this world can be described as a thought experiment in the mind of Brahma. He's trying to experience what it is through conducting an experiment. Again, it is virtual. The world has to be virtual because Brahma is all there is. Thought experiment, again thoughts are virtual. So just except for this thing, everything else is same. But when we give it the motive of an itch, then our life again attains a certain meaning. Because we then become part of that game. Then there's not playfulness in the mind of God. there's a game going on. It's a finite game, and game has certain rules, and the game has an end, a definite end which has to be achieved. So an end to achieve this, in this game then we have an end, and that end is nirvana. We desire to scratch that itch basically, the desire, because that itch again becomes a part of you. You have an itch. At a certain age you itch, मैं कौन हूँ? अभी as you enter Dr. Sir's class बाहर लिखा हुआ है, I think self-realization. The goal is self-realization. So you have to realize who you are, what is yourself. And then once you uncover things layer by layer, you realize that. And how can you know the self? It is not known through negation. Like suppose there's a block of stone there, lying in front of you. So usme there are two ways to make a statue out of it. Either you stick parts onto it, eyes, ears, nose, stick करके बना दो, or you chisel it off. You drop all that's not required, you take it off, and what is left is that. So that is what we are. We have to just chisel away. I am not this, I am not this, I am not this. Who am I? You can't answer directly, I am so and so. You can say, I am not this. Neti neti जो कहते हैं. मैं ये भी नहीं हूँ, मैं ये भी नहीं हूँ. I am not money, I am not fame, I am not my name, I am not this, I am not this, I am not this. Ultimately, what is left is what you are. Ultimately, what is left is you become Brahma. You can say, I am Brahmasmi, I am Brahma, Soham, Shivoham, all these words. They just come out of your mouth because you are that. And Tattvamasi, I want you all to be that. That the word. So वही चीज है कि then life becomes meaningful. And then it's a posthumous life. After that, you're living, it's a life of detachment, it's a life of universal love, it's a life of all those side effects I've described. So this is something which is, and मैं भी कह रहा हूँ कि ठीक है success के पीछे भागो, satisfaction के पीछे भागो, but aim for that topmost. ठीक है. And मैं अपने आप कहता हूँ I am the salesman of trust. कि लोग तो जितने भी सब बैठे हैं रीजन वगैरह something what are they selling? They selling them मेरा पीला ड्रिंक, मेरा हरा ड्रिंक, मेरा कोका कोला, मेरा कैंपा कोला पी लो. They are all offering their drinks. They are selling their drinks. What I want to sell is just thirst. I want to make you thirsty, so thirsty that you want to drink for yourself, experience for yourself. Then you get it. ठीक है? It is our birthright. According to this scenario, we have been made to be enlightened. Enlightenment is our birthright. मेरे हर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन जब मैं लिखता हूँ मेरी छप्पर से छपती है मैं कंप्यूटर प्रिंट आउट दिस प्रैक्टिकल नंबर उसके पीछे लिखा होता है नॉट माय नेम और एड्रेस उसके नीचे लिखा होता है एनलाइटमेंट इज आवर बर्थराइट. होप यू गेट इट ऑल ऑफ यू गेट इट. थैंक यू सो मच.
बड़े बड़े विद्वान बैठे हैं सर, करीम जी, सर जी, क्वेश्चंस एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू नो?
हाँ तो I think बहुत कुछ पूछने का होता है. Sometimes I know, but how many of you want to be led? Really? And what are you willing to give up for that? Job, career, family. छोड़ने को तैयार हो कुछ? फिर क्या चाहिए आपको? See, you don't have to leave anything. तो मैंने पहले बताया था. Just the attitude of detachment. वो attachment कहाँ से आती है? वो आती है from that. There's a kid I said, वो itch उठती है. The same divine itch. Coming to you. कि मैं कौन हूँ? What is the meaning of life? मुझ में कब उठी थी? I was in third year medical college, and I was totally on scholarship throughout. मैट्रिक में स्कॉलरशिप, यहाँ स्कॉलरशिप, आई वेंट टू मेडिकल कॉलेज ऑन स्कॉलरशिप. 200 रुपये फीस देता था, 500 रुपये स्कॉलरशिप मिलती थी. वो करने को मेडिकल कॉलेज आजकल लोग लाख रुपये देखे थे, मेडिकल कॉलेज में कुछ नहीं मिलता. बट जैसे ही पहुंचा थर्ड ईयर में, आई सेकंड में क्या करने आया कि मैं फादर वाज अ डॉक्टर एंड आई सीन हिज लाइफ. ठीक है, सुबह से शाम काम करना है, ठीक है, हफ्ते में एक दिन, महीने में एक दिन कोई छुट्टी मार ली, ये क्या बच्चे पैदा किए, ये सब लोग करते हैं, सब भी करते हैं. Birth, fornication and death, we are all born, we become a families, we die. क्या तीर मार गया? इतना पढ़ के इतना करके मैं यहाँ डॉक्टर बन गया, मैं क्या कर ली? क्या फाड़ लिया मैंने? कि लाइफ तो फिर वही ठीक है, ज़्यादा वही होगा. मैं ठीक है, I'll become bigger doctor, I'll have bigger गाड़ी, bigger बंगला, bigger everything. But what for? What is the meaning of life? So it was the fear of security that drove. People have the fear of insecurity. कि यार हमारे पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, security चाहिए. मुझे सडनली फेल्ट किया सिक्योरिटी तो बहुत हो गई, डॉक्टर बन गया, सब कुछ मिल गया, एंड इट्स सो बोरिंग. देयर हैज टू बी मोर टू लाइफ देन जस्ट दिस. इतना सब कुछ किया तो कुछ होना चाहिए, अगर कुछ है तो I'm going to find it, नहीं है तो I'm going to commit suicide. No ifs and buts, no compromise in between. कि है तो मिलेगा, नहीं है तो I'm going to quit. इतनी ego